Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you add payment method on the Temu app? It's going to be really simple, so bear with me. All you have to do is click on a specific item, like if you haven't yet already tried to purchase something, just go ahead and click it and automatically it'll route you to a platform that is similar to this one right here. So once you've added that, you can just go ahead and put your CVVs, your card here, and that's it. Different modes of payment method depending on which country you abide in or which country you live in. That's just basically it. Again, just click a product and you'll be routed to this one right here where you get to choose and enter your CVV. Of course, I could not enter my CVVs and passwords here for security purposes and privacy purposes, of course. And that's how simple and easy it is. Now, depending on what type of payment that you like to, you could also use the cash on delivery as well. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. I hope this video is educational for you guys, and you guys have a nice day.